Today, we are going to discuss how to resolve the issue of a document containing text with insufficient contrast. Over here, my document has been flagged for that, and you can see on my document there is 52 issues of it flagging for it, which is pretty much my entire document. So what we're going to do is, if you want more information, you can click here to see what that means and how to fix it. But again, since you found my video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process. What we're going to do is you can either open this document if you have it linked on your computer right now, or you can just download the copy right here. Once you do that, you are going to open it up, enable editing, and I will zoom in here so y'all can see it. And so what the issue is that this text does not have enough contrast in color between the text color and the color of the back of the page. And because there's not enough contrast, it can be challenging to see and to read clearly. What happens then is if you were to go like that and highlight that there, you can see right here it says low contrast. But for example, if we went here, it would say good contrast. So this doesn't always mean that the color is a good color to use. For example, if I go on red, that's good contrast. But as we all know, red is not always the best color to use in class because there's some other challenges with using red as a color. So just because something has good contrast doesn't make it the best color to use in class. You do have the option up here on Word to say high contrast only, and what it will do is it will just block off those colors. And so if you only want to be looking at the colors that are chosen for high contrast colors, it will just show you there. So that's a really good option if you don't want to be overwhelmed by highlighting and going through all of those different colors. I will turn that off for now because I know what color I'm going to use, which is just black. What I'm going to do, since it's my entire document and I'm going to turn my entire document black, is I'm going to click here, I'm going to click select all, and then I'm going to turn everything black. Ta-da! I'm going to remember to save it. And now that it is saved, I am going to exit out and I'll remember what I saved it as. And then I will go back here and I will either drag and drop to upload it, or I'll click browse to upload it. And then if we did it correctly, it should be almost perfect. But for some reason it said it still contains text with insufficient contrast. So sneaky down here. So this is great to note. So even though we selected all, there was still text in the bottom where we had that sneaky page number written in. And so what I'll have to do is on the back end is I'll go back in there and I will just get rid of that altogether because a student knows they don't need me to say the word page next to it. So that's a good note of saying I have information that doesn't need to be there. I could just have that number. So yeah, there's your video. I hope this was helpful. If you need any more information or any more support, please reach out to CETL at uidaho.edu. That's CETL at uidaho.edu. I hope you have a great rest of your day.